The Tesla Model 3 all-weather floor liners. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Tesla branded all-weather floor liners along with the Frunk and trunk liners. These floor liners are excellent for those that want to preserve the interior and protect them from the elements. They are 100% recyclable and free of cadmium, lead, latex, and PVC. I have included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Now let's start off with the Frunk liner. As you can see, it covers it very well with the raised lip all around. It does have the Tesla branding badge on the lower right. And here it is without the liner. It's very light and it feels durable. And now the trunk liner. Same pattern design as the front, and you can see there's good coverage all around and the fit is pretty good. It also has a raised lip all around. The surface is grippy and it should prevent items from sliding around. And now the rear passenger liner. This also has a good fit and you can see the Tesla branding etched in. It's a very subtle look and it provides good protection all around. And here's the front passenger. Same pattern as the rear, good protection all around, and the lip is raised high, so water or snow shouldn't leak over the sides. And finally, the driver's side. Good all-around protection as well, but my only complaint here is when it comes to the footrest on the left. I wish they went a bit higher and covered the entire length of the footrest. So there you have it, the Tesla all-weather floor liners, trunk, and frunk mats. They are very functional and have a simple and subtle design. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.